Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream very easily. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. You won't need any fancy equipment, just a bowl and a whisk. This method is perfect for a quick dessert, delivering a wonderfully creamy texture without the fuss. Get ready to enjoy a delightful homemade treat in no time at all. To begin, pour 2 cups of cold, heavy cream into a large bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, whisk everything together vigorously. You'll want to continue whisking until the mixture starts to thicken and holds soft peaks. This aeration is key to achieving that light, fluffy texture we all love in ice cream. Once your mixture is ready, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. The secret to a smooth, scoopable ice cream without a machine is to stir it every 30 minutes during the first 2 hours of freezing. This crucial step breaks up ice crystals, ensuring a wonderfully creamy consistency, just like store-bought. After freezing, let your homemade ice cream sit out for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly before serving. This makes it easier to scoop and enhances the creamy texture. Dish it into bowls and add your favorite toppings, whether it's fresh fruit, chocolate syrup, or sprinkles. It's truly a delightful dessert that's incredibly simple to make. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.